Here is an insert that's been repurposed from Handbag Angels that didn't fit in my YSL clutch, and a thinner piece of foam. Now I did go ahead and reinforce the sides with some craft foam as well. And let me go ahead and pull out the insert. You can see I just put these along. Let's go ahead and pull these out, and you can see what happens to the bag. This is what she looks like without anything. You can see she leans pretty badly here. The back is in pretty good condition. Slouch here, and again it's pretty puffy. Here's a look at the top and the inside. You can see this part has been compromised, but I don't use this back zipper, so it's not a huge deal. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Here's a look at the Lady Dior bag, polished hardware. I'm particularly happy with how the letters turned out. You can see how nice and shiny this looks. Let's look at the other side. There's still a little bit of tarnishing right here, but that's okay. And I'll look at the zipper. Now again, the zipper has been replaced, so I didn't polish this part. But as you can see, the structure looks pretty good right now. If I can get it. The structure looks pretty good. It was pretty bad before collapsing right here. Here is a look at what I did in the inside. There's a very thick piece of craft foam, similar to what I used with my Berlingo bag. Now this strap came at the recommendation of Purse on Fleek from Inner Bag Shop on Instagram. You can see that the clips are very nice, tabs, and I think this was about $100 by the time everything was said and done. But it's a very good length. I think this is 150 cm, and it works just pretty awesome on the Dior. This is how it clips, and a lot of the vintage bags don't come with the straps, so it looks pretty good. This is my Collier de Chêne CDC Hermes bracelet, and as you can see, I polished it up and it looks pretty good. The scratches on the back are still pretty bad, but that's okay. I knew that when I bought it. Look at the inside, and let's take a look at the snap. Well, you get the idea with the opening.